Okay, this is an 896 Pro Plus. No problem right now. I plug the power in. Turn it on. Nothing is shown on the screen. And the green light up. Nothing shown. So I think the capacitor of the power adapter, it doesn't work. I mean it burns, so I'll take it out. Try another power adapter. And it's worked right away. So you see that it still have the power, but it's not enough to put up the box. So if you have same problem like this, just try to change another power adapter. I will open the power adapter and see what burns inside. Okay.